The third and final lesson that you will take a look at in this grammatical unit of study has to do with something called verb moods. And we will take a look at 5 different verb moods, but there are 4 different worksheets that work within this one lesson. I don't want you to get hung up on the term names because they can be misleading, and the concepts attached to those definitions and the actual term names themselves are much more simple than you might realize, but once you explore it, I think you'll understand what I'm talking about. So the first one is called the indicative mood. The indicative mood is essentially a sentence where the verb states a fact or reality. So for example, she fed the dog. The dog has been fed. It states a fact about reality. So again, indicative mood states a fact or reality. The second mood is called the imperative mood. The imperative mood is simply a command. A lot of times with these sentences, you'll see an exclamation point because a command is something that's timely. Maybe there's some anger behind it. Maybe there's some frustration. For example, feed the dog, exclamation point. It is a command. You will need to look at that as the imperative mood. The next worksheet is 2 different moods. The first one, the interrogative mood. The interrogative mood is simply a question being asked. If there's a question mark, it's the interrogative mood. For example, did she feed the dog? Question mark. The second one on this worksheet is called the conditional mood. The conditional mood shows the condition of a possibility. This one can be kind of tricky, but essentially, she may feed the dog. May is a key word for showing that something is a possibility. So interrogative, question, conditional, possibility. One worksheet. And then the final mood and last worksheet is something called the subjunctive mood. The subjunctive mood expresses a hope, a doubt, or an imaginary situation. This can be kind of confusing with conditional, but they're on 2 different worksheets, so it should help you differentiate the 2. The subjunctive mood is simply something like this. I wish she would feed the dog. I wish or I hope are 2 phrases and key words that will really help you understand if something is considered the subjunctive mood or not. So have these completed by Friday. This is a little bit more challenging because it's a little bit longer. There's a lot of moods to this. Do your best, persevere. I'll do my best to answer questions, and good luck. Good work this week, guys.